just a little bit. Maybe the chili or something. Try to reduce. And back to the story of Petit Chef, as you can see. So we just faced with the challenge from Arabia with the a sandstorm and with some more. And he went to the village with the giant people because he's very small and he's so scared. So those guys, they smoke shisha and he smelled it and he's high. And then he's like a little lost. He got lost and he jumped into the spicy and he ate that and it's very spicy. It's burning him. This is very funny. So the next destinations we're going to are to explore the city of the area with a very famous. Also, the spicy is more powerful and savory, and you will see the landscape with the many market, crowded market. I mean, very crowded market, very funny. And he met new friend. So please follow me, and we'll see what's going on to him.
Ôi. Ui.
Where am I? I'm not feeling so well. Oh, don't come any closer. Hiya! I know karate. Oh mon Dieu, I didn't realize you really saved me. Oh, well in that case, merci beaucoup, my fellow friend. Of course I'm a real chef. Actually, to tell you, I'm on a journey to look for new and exotic spices and ingredients. Vraiment, you know where to find the best spices in the world? If you take me there, listen carefully, if you take me there, I will cook especially for you one of my most delicious dishes. D'accord, on y va. Whoa, let's go! Hiya, little bird, let's